Beautiful morning mga ka-Rarmates. So, paanong ganda? Anyways, I'm Juris.
And I'm China.
And we are your talk show hosts for today. At nandito na naman kami para pag-usapan ng mga reaksyon at komento ng mga students patungkol sa ARC Fair.
O, teka, bago natin pag-usapan yan, Fatimanians, wear complete uniform and don't forget to wear your IDs. And guys, welcome to TRM Talks with
your Rarmates. At ito na nga, huwag na nating patagalin pa, Rarmate.
At ipakilala na natin ng mga students na i-interviewin. Welcome po sa aming talk show, The Rarmates. May I know po, ano pong pangalan nyo and program here at Alpha University?
Bachelor Science of Nursing, Kurt Brian Libanan. First year pa lang po.
Wow! So ano naman pong masasabi nyo or reaction nyo sa nursing life ngayon? Dahil first year. Ano po yung mga adjustments na naramdaman nyo?
Ayun, syempre, first of all, culture shock, number one. Tapos, ano pa ba? Let's say, amount of activities all at once, all at night. Tapos, 3 oras lang ang tulog every night.
Same.
Diba, lahat naman tayo makaka-relate. Charot.
Yes. So, unang question po muna. Nakapunta po ba kayo sa org fair this 2023?
Oh yes, nakahabol ako.
Okay. So, proceed na po tayo sa unang question, no? So, what did you feel about the org fair 2023?
Oh, it was fun. Sobrang saya. Like, oh my gosh, ang dami nag-aano dun. Yung organization na nag-go together. Yung ngiti ng mga estudyante na nasa labas. Kahit kami nandun sa taas lagi minsan, ano. Tapos, ano pa ba? Too many opportunities kasi baka malay mo nandyan na yung skills na magamit,
Yeah.
like that, 'di ba? Tapos ano pa ba? Socializing, syempre, of course, kasi ayun nga, may jail boot, yung marriage emerald, kung ano man yun. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag. Tapos ayun, it was a very very fun experience. Sana nga maulit-ulit next month.
Yes, syempre mauulit po yan. So, next proceed na po tayo sa ating second question.
Second question, can you give me some of the booths that you tried at the ARC Fair?
Yung unang-unang booth, siguro kasi hindi ko masyado nakakabisado ng name ng mga booths So, siguro yung Nightingale, ayun, kasi ko yun Tapos I did yung palaro nila na yung babato ng dart, tapos yung may kapalit na condom ba yun? Sorry. Tapos ayun, nagkaroon ako ng prize doon. Syempre ang worth it noon, kahit 2 tira lang, tapos tumama ka doon sa tinuro na ayun, parte ng katawan, ayun.
Third question.
So, sa third question po natin, nakakuha po ba kayo ng ng con? Nakakuha po ba kayo? Kasi yan yung Diyos ko, maanong issue ngayon. So, ayun na po. Proceed na po tayo sa next question.
Do you really think that ARC Fair is necessary for the students here in Alpha?
Yes, I should say yes. Kasi, alam mo ba, mga students, may mga sarili-sariling mga talents. Yan. Ako, we have the English, ganon. Mga poet group, mga may manga, anime na group, yung mga yung natawag din yung nagka-cosplay, may mga ganun din. Tapos ano pa ba, let's say yung mga aspiring nursing na student na gusto mag-nursing, pwede rin mag-join ng Nightingale. Yun mga ganun, like parang yung talents nila na showcase dahil sa mga clubs. Ayan.
Okay, for our last question naman po. If you were given a chance to create a booth, what kind of booth is that?
I think siguro I wanna make a booth about LGBT Pride.
Yes!
I wanna make Pride Month every month.
Tama yan. Yun lang po ba?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ayun po. Thank you. Thank you po, kuya. Thank you po.
Break time muna mga ka-Rarmates. Rarmates, bago natin kilalanin ang pangatlong i-interviewin.
Pag-usapan muna natin ang about sa K-10 curriculum o mas kilala bilang matatag curriculum na isinaad ng ating DepEd Secretary Sara Duterte.
Ikaw, Rarmate, ano ang opinion mo about sa curriculum na ito?
Sa tingin ko, sa curriculum na to, mas magpapadali yung pag-aaral ng ng mga students kasi mababawasan na yung subject nila and hindi sila mahihirapan sa pag-aaral sa araw-araw.
Maganda siya, Rormate, no? Pero kasi, feeling ko, mahihirapan yung mga bata mag-adjust. Kasi di ba nasanay na sila sa 8 subjects? Pero kahit ano pa man yung opinion mo, kailangan pa rin natin i-respect ang isa't isa. So, mga ka-Rormate, ano bang opinion nyo about sa curriculum na ito? I-comment lang sa baba.
Hello po. Can you tell us po what's your name and program?
My name is Sofia Arwen Laresma. I am from UMS Y13.
So, kamusta naman po ang pagiging UM student?
Carry pa naman.
Kaya pa naman, yes.
Yes, kaya pa.
Dapat. So, ready na po ba kayo mag-proceed sa ating first question? Okay, for our first question, what did you feel about the org fair?
I feel the common feeling that student feel, lalo na yung mga bago dito. I felt anxious and excited about it.
Yes. So, second question, please.
Second question, can you give me some of the booths that you tried?
I tried yung booth ng BSN and the marriage booth, and then also yung Samafil.
Wow. Okay, third question.
For our third question po, did you have fun trying some of them? Kung oo, ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamasaya?
Yes, I did have fun trying all of them, especially yung Samafil booth kasi we have a Filipino subject and since may Filipino subject kami, when you participated in the Samafil booth, mayroon kang plus points. So, yun.
Okay, thank you po. And next question.
Do you really think that org fair is necessary for the students here in Olfu?
I think yes, since the org fair makes the students from different departments, different programs make closer to each other. So ayun.
And for the last question,
Sa ating last question naman po, if you were given a chance to create a booth, what kind of booth is it?
I think yung booth na gagawin ko is yung bibliophile booth. Yung it's for different kinds of bookworms where they can read the books that they like or maybe purchase.
So ayun, thank you so much po sa pag-interview sa amin. Thank you.
please guys, if may say kayo about sa segment namin, pwede nyo yung i-comment sa ibaba.
Kaya wag niyo kalimutan gamitin ang hashtag #TalksWithRoarmates. That's all for today.
We hope that you learned something today, mga ka-Roarmates.
Thank you guys for joining at our talk show. See you guys around at Olfu Campus, Antipolo City. Bye, Fatimanians!
Rise to the top!